Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Uniswap exchange with MetaMask Wallet. First you need to set up MetaMask Wallet. Go to Google Play or App Store, download MetaMask Wallet application, set up your wallet and you are ready. When you are done with that, go to your MetaMask Wallet application, click on menu. In top left corner you will see this menu. Go to browser, you will see this screen. Click on decentralized exchange, scroll down and find Uniswap, click on that. In top of the screen you will see your wallet connected. Maybe you need to connect it, just click connect and it will be connected. You will see your Ethereum balance. You need to deposit some Ethereum in order to buy tokens on Uniswap. You can do that with deposit from another exchange or some another wallet. Okay, when you want to buy some token, you need Ethereum to cover gas fee and enough amount to buy some token. When you click on select token, you will see list of some tokens, but if token that you want to buy isn't on this list, you need to add it manually. For that I'm using CoinGecko application. You can also download it from Google Play or App Store. Go to CoinGecko. You will see popular token here, list of them. Find your token or just go to search and in search bar type token that you want to buy. For example, search for Shiba Inu because it's so popular these days. You will see it on the list, click on that. Here you will see all information. Here is the contract of token exchange. When you click on that, you will see all exchange when support Shiba Inu trading and pairs that you want to use for buying, for example Shiba Inu in this case. Okay, here is Uniswap version 3. You can copy contract of Shiba Inu from here, or you can go to info, to official homepage or etherscan.io token information. Click on that and you will see all information about Shiba Inu in this case or some other token that you want to buy. You can copy contract from here also. Go back to MetaMask. Just wait again for sign in. Okay, click on select token. In this search bar, paste contract address. You will see Shiba Inu or some other token that you choose. Click import again, and Shiba Inu will be added to your MetaMask. Type your amount that you want to buy, for example 10,000. Click on swap, click confirm swap. Here you will see amounts, gas fee and everything. Gas fee is too high right now. I don't have enough Ethereum to make this transaction, but when you are agree with the gas fee and total amount, just click confirm, wait for transaction to be completed, and that is all. Your token will be in your wallet. In case that you buy token and you cannot see it in your wallet, go to menu, wallet. You need to import it manually. Just go to your wallet, click import tokens, click custom token, paste token contract address that you use to buy token, and MetaMask will manually recognize it. Will automatically recognize it. You will see contract, token symbol, ship, decimals, and just click import. And you will see I'm already have 10,000 ship from some previous transaction. Also, sometimes Uniswap can give you rejected or failed transaction. In order to solve that, you need to go to set slippage tolerance in MetaMask Wallet. Uniswap, go to browser, connect your wallet with Uniswap, and click on settings icon here, and you will see slippage tolerance. Usually dev team or team of the token that you want to buy recommend slippage tolerance on official website. Just check that information and type slippage tolerance here. As you see, you can type 2, 5, 10 or some other number that is recommended by token owners. Usually I'm using 5% slippage tolerance. Also, one more thing, it's important for buying token. When you're buying token like Shiba Inu or some other meme token, just type whole number of tokens without dots. For example, 1000, 10,000, etc. It's really easy to use Uniswap with MetaMask. Just go to browser, find Uniswap, connect your wallet, find token that you want to buy, swap Ethereum for that token, and import token if you don't see it in your wallet. And here you will see a list of your tokens. That is all. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell.